Hi, welcome back to this course on Usually. In the previous video, we discussed about the profit centers of the hotel. Apart from the profit centers of the hotel need other departments which are backend, which are support departments. For example, finance, HR, security, administration, sales and marketing, maintenance department, and many more departments which are not directly revenue generating but are supporting into the revenue generating activities. In order to understand the profitability of the entire hotel and also by department, normally these expenses are not distributed to the departments because they may not be directly related to the profit generating department for room and F&B and other operating department. That's why these departments are called undistributed expenses and are categorized into four separate departments. One is administrative and general, which is consist of finance, HR, security, and the executive office usually. Then you have information technology, which is mostly taking care of IT and also the IT services like maintenance contracts, softwares, hardwares. This department is added into usually by in the 11th edition, which was released a few years back. Before this, it was a part of administrative and general, which we discussed earlier. Why we separate it now is because the hotels are making significant investments into hardware of information technology, which makes it important for hotels to track the cost separately, so that hotels which are spending too much on IT and hotels which are not spending too much on IT, their performance can be judged separately. The third department we have is sales and marketing department, or we call administrative and business promotion. Some may call it different names, but the idea is sales and marketing, where all the sales and marketing activities, sales, marketing, revenue management is combined into these departments. The last one is maintenance department, which is also called property operation and maintenance department, or it can be called as maintenance department only. The name can be anything. So the all the cost of preventive maintenance, operation maintenance, project management for normal repairs is come into these department. Then the last section for tracking separate expenses is utilities, which is considered a separate department in itself. However, nobody is managing it, so there is no labor cost, which is normally controlled by the engineers itself. However, these utilities are a big part of hotels operating expenses. That's why they are tracked separately.